A very good morning, students. In last class we have created dance database. In that database we have created a table. We have created this table. Here you can see student names, student ID, class, dance, transportation fee, city. So this way I have created the table. How to switch between one view to another view. You can see here, click on this view option, datasheet view and design view. Right now we are on datasheet view. If we want to we want to switch between datasheet view and design view, then we have to click on this design view. Now we are on design view. So today I will tell you how to create the primary key. Firstly, I will tell you what is primary key. See, in your class, roll numbers are allotted. Why roll numbers are allotted to the class? Because if two students are having same name, they can be identified by their roll number. In the same manner, pin number is allotted to each and every student. That pin number is unique for each and every student. No two students can have same pin number. So that pin number is used to uniquely identify the student. In the same manner, in a table, if you want to create such type of a field which will be having unique values, for that purpose you can create the primary key. So how we can set the primary key? Firstly, we have to select that field on which we want to create the primary key, or which we want to set as a primary key. Then just click on this key option. Already it is created. Now if I am selecting this key symbol is not here. Now if I am again pressing it, you can see this key symbol is appearing here. So we can identify which field is our primary key by seeing this key symbol. So now student ID is primary key. Now we cannot enter the same value in student ID field because we have created this as a primary key. Again, if you want to go to datasheet view, we have to click on this view option. Now I have created primary key, so I have to save the table. Now if we want to edit the data in the table, now we are in this table. If suppose I want to change the name of any field, so what we have to do, I have to right click on this row header, column header, or you can say field header. Then you can see here rename column. So instead of fees, I am writing here fee deposited. This way you can rename the field. Although in this design view, simply you can click here and you can rename it. The next topic is adding a field in a table. So as I have told you earlier, in this design view we cannot enter the data in the table. To enter the data in the table, I have to switch, or I have to move to the data sheet view. Here I can enter the data as already I have entered the data. So suppose I am changing the dance. So now this way I can enter the data in the field. Now if I want to add any field in between these two fields, if I want to add any field, so you can again right click, you have to right click on the any field and then insert column. If I want to insert the column before this fee deposited, then I have to right click here and then insert field, insert column. So this way I can insert the column. I can rename it simply by right click and then rename column. If I want to delete this column or delete this field, again I have to right click here and then you can see delete column option here. Just press this delete column and press yes. Now this way we can delete the field. Now if I want to sort the records, suppose I want to sort the records by student's name, then what I have to do, I have to just press this ascending option. If I want to arrange the data in ascending order. If I want to arrange the data in descending order, then I have to click on this. So now see here, if I am pressing this, the related entries will change accordingly. It's not that it will change only the it will arrange only the names. It will change the whole data. Like RAM entry will automatically change. I have selected only student name, but all the entries will be changed accordingly to the student name. In the same manner, now what happen if I am pressing this Z to A? Now the data is in descending order. This way I can sort the records. The next option is filtering data. So here you can see this filter option. If I am pressing this, so according to which I want to, suppose I have to click on this dance. I want to see only Kathak students data. Then I am pressing this filter key option. Now what I have to do? I have to just select salsa. Firstly I will click here because all were selected. When I will click here, now all are unselected. Now what I have to do? I have to just press this. Click on OK button. Now you can see only one entry is there. Now if you want to see again all the entries, just simply left click here, then select all, click on the OK button. So this way you can filter the data. Filtering means filtering is used to display only those records that contain exactly the same data. For example, here I have selected only salsa, or I have selected only Kathak. If I am selecting Kathak, what happens? Only 2 students are having Kathak dance. So now I am selecting only Kathak. Firstly click on select all, then click on Kathak. Now you can see these data. So this way you can filter the data. The next option is filter by form. So filter by form, here you can see this selection, advanced. So many options are there. So what you have to do? You have to click on advanced option. Then what you have to click on? Filter by form. Then you can use here, if you want to select only Kathak or you want to choose both, then you can select both. So in filter by form, what will happen? Filtering by form enables us to filter by multiple fields and specify criteria for as many fields as we like. So here we can combine the criteria by using AND or options. In AND, both the options will be selected, while in OR, either of the option will be selected. So we can choose this way. So this is our filtering data by form. If we want to use AND, then both the condition should be true. If we are using OR option, then either one of the conditions should be true. So in next class, I'll tell you how to set the relationship between tables.